Welcome to Guess the Output video series on C programming language. Here I have a C program. All you have to do is pause this video, take a look at the source code, and you have to come up with the output of this program. Once you guys have an answer, you guys can resume the video. I will run this program and explain the output. Okay, now I guess you guys have an answer for this program. What we do is we will run this program. Now when I run this program, we get the output as welcome to my channel. So now the question is why we get welcome to my channel as the output here. So this is a simple program which has a printf function and it displays this much text on the screen. So here we have hello from Learning Lad, and then we have the escape sequence character /r, and then we have welcome to my channel. So this escape sequence character /r, it is called as carriage return, and what it does is it takes the cursor to the beginning of the text. In order to explain this, what I have done is I have created a new text file and I have placed the text hello from Learning Lad just like the way we have here in this printf, and then we have this /r. So because of that, what happens, the cursor will come to the beginning. So here right now the cursor is at the end. Because of /r, the cursor will come to the beginning, and then whatever the text that we have to display after this carriage return, what they will do is they will overwrite these string values. Here in this example, what we have welcome to my channel. So in this case, they will completely overwrite all this text that we have here. So we get welcome to my channel. Now just to demonstrate that it will overwrite the characters, I will remove welcome to my channel, and here I will have only video. So now if I save this program and if I run this, now you guys can see we get video from Learning Lad. Again, what happened here? Initially we had the text hello from Learning Lad and then /r. So the cursor will come to the beginning, and then whatever we display here, it will overwrite these characters. So we have video. So it will start overwriting from the beginning. So it will be video. So it will say video from Learning Lad. Now finally, if you guys want to learn more about the printf function, then I have the tutorials available in my channel. I will provide the link in the description box. You guys can check them out. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you guys have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.